second hour of the Late Debate. I'm Jack Tomczak. That is Benjamin Cruzy. Joining us now is the mayor of Oak Grove, Minnesota, Mark Korin. Mark is you're an amazing individual.
You're a genius.
Apart from being the mayor of Oak Grove, you're also an inventor and jet owner.
Raconteur.
Yeah, I was. Just recently, I had to divest of that for the business.
So now you own as many jets as I do.
Yes, 0. I have pieces of jets if you want to come over and see them. But
so let's give our listeners first your business background.
I am currently the owner of a company called Depot Star. I'm the president and CEO. I run a company that is an engineering, design, and manufacturing company. I have my own products. You mentioned that I'm an inventor.
Yes.
And I certainly am. I have a lot of ideas. I can't stop. And I build and manufacture and sell a aviation product called Alpha Systems, which is a device that goes in all certified airplanes, experimental airplanes. All commercial and military airplanes fly with angle of attack systems.
Okay.
And what is that? What is angle of attack?
It is the only thing that's keeping airplanes in the air is
I was about to say, without your invention, all the planes would fall out of the sky. Well, I was going to make it as a joke. Apparently it's true.
It's true. The principle of lift, that's what an airplane flies, is lift. Mm-hmm. And my device shows the amount of lift. Pilots, very simply put, use airspeed to tell the pilot how much lift they have, but it varies. It's like driving your car with a tachometer for speed.
Okay.
But in an airplane, angle of attack is absolute. So if you have an instrument that shows angle of attack, it gives you the absolute amount of lift at the right performance or landings, takeoffs, all that. My product has saved hundreds, if not thousands, of people's lives.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
This radio show has saved 0 at this point, so you're ahead of us by a little bit. So is this a technology that your product is in every airplane, or
I wish it was,
or a type of product that you make?
Yeah, that's a good question. My product was originally invented by the U.S. Air Force. The concept of the product. It had been implemented in the U.S. Navy for aircraft carrier landings and reduced accident rates by 80%.
Wow.
On carrier landings. So they implemented all of this technology into commercial and military airplanes. When you get on a commercial jet, if you get into the cockpit, they have instrumentation, hundreds of thousands of dollars of instrumentation that puts the angle of attack information into the flight control systems of these big military and commercial airplanes.
Okay.
My system is a simplified version for general aviation or GA aircraft.
Okay, so this is so...
it's a red light to notify you when you've crashed.
Pretty much. Yeah, that's very true. It gives you the range above. It's called stall when your airplane, when you pull, and then your airplane would fall out of the sky.
I've played Flight Simulator. Mark.
Okay.
I know it's
stalled quite a bit.
Well, angle of attack is a way to give a direct readout from stall all the way to cruise.
Okay.
And I give seminars teaching pilots how to fly angle of attack safely.